Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So we start on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So for this part on 1 and 2, we have to kick our right leg and our left leg. And while we kick the right leg, we have to throw away our left hand, okay, like this, into fist. We throw it to the front. And when we kick with the left leg, we throw our right fist. So we throw, left, throw, right. And while doing that, we have to jump. So everything together, we kick and kick. Next, on 3, 4, we have to separate our legs. So right goes outside. And we move our hips round and round. Okay, 2 times. And our hands go outside, so we stretch them out like this. So outside, and then they go in, so we cross them and separate again. So we go in and cross them. So it is kick, kick, outside, in. Then we continue on 5 and 6. So for this part, we have to cross our legs, then go out and in again. So when we cross our legs first, right is in front, left is at the back. Then we open and cross again, and now left is in the front and right is at the back. And while doing so, we have to throw our fist. So we throw the left fist and throw the right fist. Okay, so all together, we throw, open, throw. And the way we have to do this, first is looking to the right. So we cross to the right and then we release in the front and cross again, but looking to the front. So again, from the beginning, we kick, kick, outside, in, cross, cross. And lastly, we go 7 and 8. Okay, so this part, when we release our legs, we have to leave them open, stretched out our arms, and we kick with the right leg 2 times to the side. So we kick, looking to the left, and then you open again. Okay, so from there you open again, and your hands go cross inside. So you cross them inside. So you kick, kick, release, and cross them. Let's repeat again from the very beginning, from this part. So we kick, kick, outside, in, cross, cross, kick, kick, cross. Next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after we kick twice, we go open. So for this part, we have to move our hip to the right and bring our hands up, stretched out, and then we move to the left. So hip goes to the left and we cross our arms in front of us. So we open and cross. Then we go upside down. So for this part, our left leg is in the front and we move our hips up and then flex our hips. So we move and then flex. And our hands go upside down. So the right hand, the right palm is down and the left palm is up. And then we switch and now the right palm is up and the left palm is down. So switch, upside down. Let's repeat again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5 and 6, we go 5, 6. So for this part, we have to brush our left arm with the right hand until we touch our chest. And we do the same thing with our legs. We brush them until the left is in the back and the right goes up. So again, we move our left leg all the way back and we lift our right leg up. So all together, we brush and lift our right leg up. And your face also, you tilt it to the right. So we brush and lift. And to finish on 7, 8, we have to separate our legs. Left goes out and our hips go round 2 times, and with the right fist we go boom, boom, also 2 times. So from here we go open, cross, upside down, brush your hand, up and boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Next up is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So on 1 and 2, we have to bend down slightly, and with our right hand we touch our forehead. Okay, so touch, and then on 2 we flick, and our left hand is behind, and when we flick outside we have to look up or look to the side. Then we go 3 and 4. So for this part our hand goes outside 3 times like this. So 3 and 4, and then we release them. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and on 5, 6 we separate our legs outside like this, and our hand goes all the way to the back, and our head also follows to the back. So we go slowly looking to the back like this. And then we brush our head on 7 and 8. So we take our 2 hands and brush our hair like this and move our head. So we go 5, 6 and brush our head. And then we put our legs together. So from the beginning, we go flick your hand, 3 and 4, 5, 6, brush your head and in. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you brush your head like this, for this part you go up to the left, up to the right. So for this part you have to jump 2 times, and while doing so you have to lift your hand up. So you lift your index finger, your left index finger up, and stretch your left arm. So you go up and then push it to the side, push it to the left. And again you go up with the right index finger, you go up and push it to the right. So up, left, up, right. Then this part is easy. So for this part you have to stretch out your arms like this and move for the right first, then the left, and then the right again, and just walking on your place, and then you cross in. So let's repeat from this part from the beginning. So we go up, left, up, right, right, left, right, cross. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.